Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice exponential equation here, which is 8 to the power of x minus 2. This is equal to 80. So what is the value of x given that x is not equal to 0? So let's prevent a solution from here. This exponential equation is in the form of a to the power of n minus m, which we can express as a to the power of n over a to the power of m. Applying this exponent property, then we have 8 to the power of x divided by 8 to the power of 2. This is equal to 80. Remember, 80 is a whole number, so this is over 1. The next step is we cross multiply so that we have 8 to the power of x. This is equal to 8 to the power of 2 times 80. To solve for x here, we introduce logarithm on both sides so that we have log 8 to the power of x. This is equal to log 8 to the power of 2 times 80. The next step is that log 8 to the power of x, this is in the form of log a to the power of n, which we can express as n log a. Applying this power rule property of logarithm, then log 8 to the power of x can be expressed as x log 8. This is equal to log 8 to the power of 2 multiplied by 80. Now the next step is we divide both sides by log 8. Here we have log 8. So that now we simplify log 8 and log 8, and therefore we have that x is equal to log 8 to the power of 2 multiplied by 80 divided by log 8. The next step is that log 8 to the power of 2 times 80. This is in the form of log a multiplied by b, which can be expressed as log a plus log b. Now, applying this logarithm property, then here we have x is equal to log 8 to the power of 2 divided by log 8, then plus log 80 divided by log 8. Now we have log 8 to the power of 2. This is in the form of log a to the power of n, which you can express as n log a. Now here we have x is equal to log 8 to the power of 2. This is the same thing as 2 log 8 divided by log 8 here. Then plus we have log 80 divided by log 8. So let's simplify log 8 and log 8 here, so that now x is equal to 2 plus, now we have log 80 divided by log 8. The next step is that we can express 80. This is the same thing as 16 multiplied by 5. So that now we have x is equal to 2 plus log. This is the same thing as 16 multiplied by 5 divided by log 8. So from here, we have that x is equal to 2 plus, now we can express log 16 multiplied by 5. This is the same thing as log 16 divided by log 8, then plus log 5 divided by log 8. The next step is that we can express 16. This is the same thing as 2 to the power of 4. And we can express 8. This is the same thing as 2 to the power of 3. Therefore, we have that x, this is equal to 2, plus, now we have log 2 to the power of 4 divided by log 2 to the power of 3, then plus log 5 divided by log 2 to the power of 3. Now, applying the power rule property again here, then we can express x as 2 plus, now here we have 4 log 2 divided by 3 log 2, then plus log 5 divided by 3 log 2. So the next step from here is to simplify. This is log 2 and log 2 simplifies. So that now we have x is equal to 2 plus 4 over 3. Then plus here we have 1 over 3 log 5 divided by log 2. So now we have 2 plus 4 over 3. This is the same thing as, this is 10 over 3 plus 1 over 3. This is log 5 divided by log 2. Now we have x is equal to 10 over 3 plus 1 over 3 log 5 over log 2. Now log 5 over log 2, this is in the form of log a divided by log b, and this can be expressed as log a to base b. Let's apply this property so that now x is equal to 10 over 3 plus 1 over 3. This is log 5 to base 2. And given that a third is common here, then we can express x as 1 over 3 into the parentheses. This is equal to 10 plus this is log 5 to base 2. And this is the value of x here. This is the value of x. So the next step from here is to verify that this value of x satisfies the equation. Let's verify. Now, if you recall, we have that 8 to the power of x minus 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 80. So let's substitute the value of x here so that we have 8 raised to the power of 1 over 3 into the parentheses. We have 10 plus, now here we have log 5 to base 2, subtract 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 80. Now we can express 8 basically as 2 to the power of 3. Let's substitute 2 to the power of 3 so that we have 2 to the power of 3 times 1 over 3 into the parentheses. This is the same thing as 10 plus log 5 to base 2. Cross the parentheses, minus 2. Then this is supposed to give us a value of 80. Now let's simplify here. Now we have 3 and 3 here simplifies, so that now we have 2 to the power of 10 plus, now we have log 5 to base 2. Then subtract, we have 3 times 2, which is equal to 6. This is supposed to give us a value of 80. Now, we have 2 to the power of 10 minus 6. This is the same thing as 4. Then plus log 5 to base 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 80. Okay? Now, 2 to the power of 4 plus log 5 to base 2. This is in the form of a to the power of n plus m, which we can express as a to the power of n times a to the power of m. Applying this exponent property, then here we have 2 to the power of 4 times 2 to the power of log 5 to base 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 80. Now 2 to the power of 4 here, this is equal to 16. So we have 16 multiplied by 2 to the power of log 5 to base 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 80. The next step is that 2 to the power of log 5 to base 2. This is in the form of a to the power of log b to base a, and this is supposed to give us a value of b. Applying this logarithm property, then 2 to the power of log 5 to base 2, this is equal to 5. Substituting 5 here, then we have 16 multiplying by 5. This is supposed to give us a value of 80. And it's clear that 16 times 5, this is equal to 80, which is equal to 80. And this implies that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And this implies that the value of x here, which is equal to 1 over 3 into the parentheses 10 plus log 5 to base 2, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and